안녕하세요. 제 이름은 드딜입니다. Hello everyone, my name is Didil and welcome back to my channel. And today, and now actually, now we have, sorry about the Stacy pictures. I'm too lazy to change the pictures into other groups. So that's why, yeah. NCT Wish. I didn't watch the Japanese version of Songbird because I was waiting for Korean version. Plus, I love them so much because they're NCT unit, so it is my because I stand NCT all units, so this is also this NCT unit, so I will have to stand them exactly. I will have to listen to them. That's why, yeah. My bias in NCT is Yoshi because he's the reason why I stand them because yeah, exactly. Yeah. Sorry, I never reacted to their songs before, but I did listen to their songs a lot. I love their music. Exactly. I love them. They are the home singers of NCT. I love them exactly. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what is the track name. Definitely Songbird, Korean version. Exactly. Let's get it. Well, I had to change. Why not?
Feels good.
Rage hour. Wait a moment. 흥얼거리는 멜로디. 가벼워진 채 going down, going down. 맑게 부리는 불. 저러다친 문 넘어.
Actually, I
날개를 펼쳐 더 높이. 단한 걸음에 잠긴 인형.
I love their concept. Other five, all are my record already. We are always make me in shock with his voice. Bro is a magnet 2007. I love it.
Sing for you. Give me some. Alright, come on. 생각하는 대로 이루어지는 wish 늘 함께니까 언제라도 모여서 힘게 모습의 우리를 그려봐. Just you and I, 눈부시게 let it shine. Yeah.
He is my first ever record. But he is older than me. Yes. I do look old, but I'm not old.
Little songbird, little songbird. Yeah, little songbird. Sing the melody again now.
First of all six already read since Hands Up era. Put your hands up. So sorry. All that song is so freaking good. Through that song, these six already, wrecked my biases. They are so cute. Kawaii days. I don't know. Okay. I didn't react it to Japanese version because Japanese version sometimes cause problem, not Korean version. I am definitely sure this is going to be blocked by in few territories, not worldwide. That's why exactly. But sometimes Japanese song blocked worldwide. I am not taking the risk. Exactly. I am not a risk taker. Exactly. But the thing is, I love the song so much. Their songs are so freaking happy, so freaking fun to watch, to listen. It gives me happiness. Happiness, exactly. I don't know why I literally talk about happiness a lot these days because it gives me happiness. Especially Yushi, he is younger than me, like 3 years, 2 years, 2004 exactly. Um, plus plus your bias picks you, not you pick your bias, so definitely Yushi picked me, and I am so glad that he picked me. Uh, yeah, I don't know why this boy. Okay. Anyways, already said, man, I love this song so much. Exactly, I love them so much. Exactly. This video is so freaking cute. Exactly, I love this. Exactly. Definitely into a very playlist. I'm going to listen to this song on my own. Exactly. Already said, man, so video is NCT. I'm so sorry about this. Friday 108 degrees. I cannot do anything about this. Exactly. NCT wish. Songbird music video Korean version. Music video. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. जो है तो मैं I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. And